Join me as I dive into the stock market and make my bold prediction on whether Hims & Hers stock is set to explode. Hims & Hers is a company that's been making waves in the healthcare market, specifically in the telemedicine space. With their innovative approach to accessing healthcare services, they've gained a significant following and have been performing relatively well in the stock market. But the question remains, is their stock about to take off in November 2024? To answer that, let's take a closer look at what's been happening with the company and the challenges they've been facing. Hims & Hers has been facing some stiff competition in the telemedicine space. This competition has led to increased marketing and advertising expenses. Furthermore, the company has been dealing with regulatory hurdles, including changes to reimbursement rates and ongoing discussions around the future of telemedicine. In addition to competition and regulation, Hims & Hers has also faced challenges in terms of scaling their business. As they expand into new markets, they've had to invest heavily in infrastructure and personnel. Despite these challenges, Hims & Hers has shown resilience and has continued to grow their revenue. Let's take a closer look at the current market trends that could influence Hims & Hers stock in November 2024. The telemedicine space is expected to continue growing, driven by increased adoption. Additionally, Hims & Hers has been expanding its offerings into new areas, such as mental health and dermatology, which could provide a boost to their revenue. The company's financials are also showing some positive signs, with revenue growth and increasing profitability. Hims & Hers Health reported strong financial results for Q3 2024. Here are the key highlights. Revenue, $401.6 million, a 77% increase year-over-year. Net income, $75.6 million. Subscribers grew to 2 million, up 44% year-over-year. Monthly online revenue per average subscriber, $67, a 24% increase. The company also raised its full year 2024 revenue guidance. Analysts think they will grow revenue by 38% 2025 to $2 billion. Analysts expect earnings per share to be 93 cents. That means that with today's stock price of $21 you pay a price-to-earnings multiple of 23. That is too cheap according to me. With that kind of growth I think they could easily be worth a 40 PE. Which means there's a big upside potential. Another key initiative that could impact Hims & Hers stock is their upcoming product launches. The company has been investing heavily in research and development, and we're expecting some new products to hit the market in the near future. These products could provide a significant boost to their revenue and profitability. In terms of the bigger picture, I think Hims & Hers is well positioned to take advantage of the growing telemedicine market. With their innovative approach and expanding offerings, I think they're going to be a major player in the space for years to come. In summary, Hims & Hers stock has been facing some challenges, but the company has shown resilience and continues to grow. With the current market trends, company financials, and upcoming initiatives, I think there's a good chance that their stock could explode in the coming years. So, what do you think about Hims & Hers stock? Do you think it's going to take off? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more content on stock market predictions and analysis. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't take this as investment advice, only for inspiration. Remember to do your own due diligence.